There's not a landing pad out here. I don't know if there's a code that you have to have one or not per se. It does look like the touch-up paint was done. Maybe replaced those. There is a threshold here, and it looks like this one is what I didn't see last time. Because you could see light. Oh, actually you still can until it's locked. When it's locked, you can't. So there's not any hardware on these pull-out doors. I'm not sure if that was something missed or you don't have to have any. But we're gonna try to get those done. And then, I went through things like this, like these gaps that should be filled in. The hot water works on the sink, and it looks like they just drilled out 2 holes, like they're gonna put like the sprayer nozzle or soap dispenser or something else in here. We're gonna ask her about that. This part was sealed up with some silicone, you can see, and underneath. However, when I came to this side, I put some blue tape on because it's definitely not level there. And there's a little bit of a gap here, it needs caulked in. They did do the shower in here. I could tell where it was. There's some new grout. And the threshold from here, I believe, is, yeah, this one's newer too. Hardware on the cabinetry's done. But I did see they put hardware on these doors, however, I'm thinking they didn't finish touching that paint up. So I'll just raw wood. Okay, this is the bedroom window. They said the window was hard to open and close, which I just did myself, and it is very hard to open and close. So let me see if this one is the same. Okay, this one opened and closed much easier. It still sounds loud. But it was much easier than the other. So maybe it needs oil or something, but we'll highlight that. And let's see. Your AC is a Honeycomb Home, or Honeywell Home Pro Series. was the light that was labeled as non-operable. It's in the master bath commode area. And so I put here where you can see a gap there, that needs to be sealed up good. However, the hot water works in that sink, the tub, and that sink. I put some areas showing them that they need to fix some grout in here. It looked like they did do some, but he did say there was a seam up here, which I don't know if they fixed it or it's just not that bad, but there are gonna be seams. That's not gonna be something that we're gonna get them to come back and do. We see it in every newer house, much less the new construction. So that's gonna be hard. The door, this door here and the other slider, I don't know if what they're saying is wrong with this, but I gotta find that out because I'm pretty sure it's the same as last time. And now we're outside, and I believe they had, I mean, the gutters, those are fine there. It says open-ended somewhere on the top, but I can't obviously go there to look at that. Might be able to see where the arrow was pointing though. Maybe. Where does that gutter go to? Not sure. You can see the grass was just freshly cut. Looks very nice. Let's go to the water equipment. So that gutter's good. Screens on. You see how full this is now and operating? It was not like that before. And that was open last time while they were working on it, but this all-around water service is the company that warrants these and comes back and services them. No landing pad, which we have to figure out if that's a requirement or not. I have a feeling it's not. It's just something that's nice to have. And this is the other part that isn't a big deal. It's just this aesthetically, like, I feel like they should do something here instead of just leaving that open. But it could just be me too. So the seawall gap we are waiting to hear back from them on what they said about the seawall and how they plan to fix if they need to. See this side of the house has the screens on it too.